still feeling like sobriety is a solo journey in a world of drinkers? You know me. We're going to shift that perspective. After hearing your experiences, it's clear that sobriety can be a very lonely journey, especially in a world that feels like it's revolving around drinking. But I'm going to tell you the truth and a new angle to consider. First off, to the homie that went to their first concert sober, dude, I am so proud of you. That's amazing. You might have felt left out, but guess what? You experienced the music, the energy in its purest form. You found joy in what you love instead of in a drink. That is not just sobriety, dude. That is straight up liberation. And to those that feel like they screwed up because they had one night of drinking after 30 days of sobriety, listen, we are all human. A lapse is expected. It's not about never failing or never feeling like you're failing. It's about how we rise. Remember, only good people beat themselves up if they know they could do better. You don't just want to get sober, you actually want to stay sober. A majority of the people on the planet couldn't even consider that. Sobriety isn't just a physical state, the absence of alcohol. It's a mental journey, dude. It takes energy. Your brain, your body, they're both healing together. You just got to respect the journey and give them both time and grace. It's tough, dude, especially if your partner drinks or your friends like to drink all the time, but your journey is yours. It's a path that you choose to walk, but you don't have to walk it alone. There's endless amounts of support, dude. Tons of communities out there. Beyond Sober has a community of thousands of people, and they've all been where you are. You're more than welcome to come hang out with us because we're all walking this path together, whether we're 4 days sober or 6.5 years into recovery. So here's your reminder. Sobriety isn't about missing out. It's about gaining so much more clarity, more genuine connections, more appreciation for the moments that really, truly matter. Moments that you can remember. This is our year. Not just one that we can say we stayed sober through, but the one we can say we were thriving through our sobriety. To build a life that is fulfilling without a single drop of alcohol. You're not just surviving the party. You're creating a life that is a celebration in itself. And I appreciate the invitation to join you on this journey. As an ex-alcoholic and liver failure survivor, stay strong, stay connected. And remember, I'm right here with you. So if you or someone you know could use mine or the community support, you know exactly where to find me.